Ever wondered how to make the internet work for you? How to turn your online presence into a revenue stream? Well, wonder no more. Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing, the digital goldmine that's just waiting for you to stake your claim. Imagine this, you're a bridge. On one side, you have a vendor with a product or service they're eager to sell. On the other side, you have a consumer searching for that very product or service. As the bridge, you connect the two, and in doing so, earn a commission. That, in essence, is affiliate marketing. Now, how does one get started on this journey? It's a step-by-step process, and it all begins with choosing a niche. A niche is a specific market segment that you'll target. It could be anything, from organic skincare products to high-tech gaming gear. The key is to choose a niche that you're passionate about. Why? Because passion drives engagement, and engagement drives sales. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is to join an affiliate program. These programs act as the intermediary between you, the affiliate marketer, and the vendors. Amazon Associates, ShareASale and ClickBank and Supercool Marketing are just a few examples of the myriad of affiliate programs out there. Now, signing up for an affiliate program is usually free, and once you're in, you'll receive a unique affiliate link. This link is your golden ticket. It's what tracks the traffic and sales you generate. Each time someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. With your affiliate link in hand, it's time to create content. This could be blog posts, social media updates, or even YouTube videos. The goal is to share your affiliate link with your audience in a way that adds value to them. Remember, people aren't just buying a product or service, they're buying into you and your recommendations. Now here's a pro tip. Use SEO or search engine optimization techniques to boost the visibility of your content. By using relevant keywords and creating high-quality content, you can increase your chances of appearing in search results, thereby reaching a wider audience. Lastly, it's all about patience and persistence. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a journey, and like all journeys, it takes time. But with dedication and the right strategies, it can be a rewarding one. So there you have it. Affiliate marketing demystified. It's a world of opportunities, a chance to turn your passion into profit. So, why wait? Get started on your affiliate marketing journey today. The internet is vast, and there's always room for one more bridge. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. And in the world of affiliate marketing, that first step is choosing your niche. So go ahead, find your passion, join an affiliate program, create engaging content, or have it created for you, and watch as the internet becomes your very own digital goldmine. And if you want to check out a proven system, go to supercoolmarketing.com and check out the live training. Your journey awaits. Go seize it.